everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using top fan products as voted on by those of you on Instagram. So if you're following us on Instagram, you probably know that the other day I posted a little poll to see which of the top fan products you guys wanted to see in a tutorial. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the eyeshadow primer. And I don't typically use this product, but I thought I'd give it another try. The trick with this is to use like a really small amount. You don't need a lot at all, but it's nice because it helps to conceal discoloration in your eyelids and it can help your eyeshadows from creasing. If you have really oily eyelids, I suggest maybe blotting your eyelids before doing this, but that's just if your eyelids tend to be on the oilier side, whether naturally or from product that you're using. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is in the shade called Champagne, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my eyelids. And Champagne's super pretty because it has this little bit of micro shimmer to it. Moving on, the next eyeshadow that I'm going to use is in the shade called Brownie Points, and I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of this to add to the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but before I move on, I'm going to take a brush and just blend that out a little bit more. Is to line my eyes, and I'm going to be using the charcoal eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to just line my waterline, but you could actually go on your lash line if you wanted to, and you could also apply it to the lower lash line, but I'm going kind of with a simplistic makeup look here, so I'm just going to do the waterline on the upper lash line. Because I was having some super awesome fun time with my contacts, I decided to go ahead and finish up my eyeliner off camera. But like I said, I did line my waterline using the charcoal eyeliner pencil. And moving right along, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply a generous amount of the Lash Project mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now, before moving on to my lips, I'm going to apply a little bit of the blush in the shade called Gotta Glow. I'm just using a tiny little bit because I naturally have pretty rosy cheeks and I don't really like that to stand out too much. So what I like to do is smile, go about 2 finger widths away from my nose, and just dab. Now for the lips, I'm going to start by taking the natural lip liner and I'm going to outline and fill in my lips using this. The lipstick color that was picked is in the shade called Audrey, which I was really excited about because this is one of my personal favorites. Audrey is such a hydrating lipstick itself that I don't typically wear a lip gloss with it, but for this makeup tutorial I am going to use a lip gloss, and the shade that was voted on was the color called Berried Treasure. This is the completed makeup look. I think it was actually super fun creating a tutorial using products that you all voted for, so I think we might have to do that again sometime. I think it was a lot of fun. Leave a comment down below if you noticed any of your personal favorites being used in today's video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Anyway, until next time, take care. Bye!